What's up guys, it's Press TV here. Today I'm doing a video with Dabro. Archie! Mate. Dabro! He's back! So Archie's back. We're going to show you how nice that he got on Christmas. Obviously it's New Year's Eve, so yeah. What's the catch? It's called my man, Charlie. Right, so guys, so first up, we've got Archie's little Oink in the Farm book. Oink in the Farm, look, there's one goat, makes a goat noise. There's a pig, makes pig noise. Horse makes horse noise. Turkey makes turkey noise. Tractor makes tractor noise. The sheep makes sheep noise. Is that a lamb? Yeah. Dog. Chicken. And goose. Do you like your books? Do you like this book? Yeah. I actually got a little football that goes with this cute little football net. Right. Football net is here. Pizzles. Actually, don't mess. Actually, don't mess. And today might be the iPad's last day of filming. So, everyone say RIP to the iPad in my videos. Right, because I got this for Christmas. Look, I got a GoPro. A chair. And right, he got some books. Okay, he got some multiple books in this bag. It says Santa's little bag of books. He has Snowman's Odd One Out. Finally, Odd One. Oh God, that's actually pretty hard for him. Because look, the Odd One Out's obviously this, but he's only one. The boy's only one. Like, make some, like Santa, make some like an appropriate books. And then there's like a cracker out of all tools. Find the Odd One Out. Well, it could be that one because it's brown. So, I mean, how many Christmas trees with presents can you count? 1, 2, 3. Find the Odd One Out. Again, this is hard because it could be this one because it's blue. But like, wow. Find the Odd One Out. It could be that. It could be that one because it's tiny. Right? See what I'm saying, Santa? Find the Odd One Out. Again, it could be this one. Or this one because he's carrying presents. But no, you have to pick on the elf on the shelf. Elf on the shelf. Right, and blah blah, but that's a horrible book for babies and stuff. So there's Santa's first numbers with numbers, and I think Christmas colours. Right, so that's like pretty much a lot of the books. He got a lot of books, and he got this book. It was like Oink on the Farm, but it goes splash in the ocean. It's like whale. It does all sorts of noises out of those. So you see that? Yeah, actually kind of in my way. You can show them. Show them as well. And you got this a few. Arch! He nearly pressed the stop button. Arch, don't press that. Right, so you got this a few days after, didn't you? Yeah, he's Burr. Is his name Burr? Burb. Yeah, that's you. Right. Archie! Come on, can you get the baby? He's kind of trying to pretend.
No, but sure, it's his stories.
Right, he got a book that says head, shoulders, knees and toes. Archie's dancing. Look at them moves! Go on, get in the shot. We want to see his moves. Go on, dance. And then there's... Oh, wow, I'm bottom up. Right, he got this book that he nearly threw at me yesterday. Savage. It's the wheels on the bus go round and round. Oh, sorry, mate. And he got this really cute ball. It's like a ball with a face on that you can play football with. Right.
Alan.
Oh yeah. He got this little xylophone.
Yeah.
With a stick to it somewhere. You're gonna show the rooms. He got these two rooms, a delivery truck and a police car. Look, the rooms. They're rooms. They're your rooms. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And he got over here, with the rooms. He got over here this huge bike that you sit on and then ride it. And we went to a place to have Christmas dinner after, and I won this for him. I was trying to get a minion, but it turned out to be a butterfly. Oh, you're gonna play it? This is Archie's outlet he got when he was in there. And he got this other book called Elf's First Words, and he got this tied on to zebra. And there's Ella. Sorry about that. Right? Take the trophy away, walking in a fairy wonderland. Right, so I think I'll have to get going. I think Regan's coming up on maybe a video, I don't know. But